Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes DEO Nalgonda. Today we are going to discuss about the 10th class maths topic Nana, 5th chapter, quadratic equations. Here it is the part number 6 Nana, video number 6. Today let us discuss about how to solve the given quadratic equation using completing square method. So first of all, let us discuss about completing square method. So here, for example, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here it is a second degree polynomial. Here it is the second degree polynomial. So it can be expressed as product of two factors, that is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means here a plus b same factor which is multiplying two times Nana. A plus b into a plus b. So double time it is multiplying. That's why here this polynomial is a completing square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is written as a plus b whole square. Whereas another form, a square minus 2ab plus b square is written as a minus b whole square. Here also this factor, here also in this polynomial, it is a second degree polynomial. In this second degree polynomial, it can be written as a minus b whole square. Same factor, a minus b, which is multiplying two times Nana. That's why here it is also perfect square. So we need to solve the given following equations using completing square method. So to solve the given equations using this method, first we have to remember that first step. So make sure that so if x square coefficient is 1 or not, so equalize the x square coefficient to 1. Make sure that if the x square coefficient is equal to 1 or not. X square coefficient em undali nana? 1 undali. Coefficient of x square, make sure that coefficient of x square is equal to 1. X square coefficient 1 undali. If not, just we have to equalize the x square coefficient to 1. X square coefficient whatever it may be, em unna kuda coefficient ni 1 ga divide cheyali. For example Nana, here 2x square minus 5x plus 9 equal to 0 is the given equation. Here we are going to resolve into factors. So to find the roots of this equation, first of all, here look at here, x square coefficient which is not equal to 1. X square coefficient is not equal to 1. So here make sure that the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. X square coefficient 1 undali. Here x square coefficient which is not equal to 1. 1 ledu nana. That's why we are going to convert as 1. Dini 1 ga cheyalante dividing by 2 on both sides. Here dividing by 2 on both sides. 2 get cancelled. Here x square minus 5 by 2 times of x plus 9 by 2 is equal to 0. A equation ichina kuda, whatever the equation it may be, first convert the x square coefficient as 1. X square coefficient ni 1 ki convert cheskundana. If it is not 1, then dividing. If it is 2, x square coefficient is 2, dividing by 2 on both sides. If x square coefficient is 5, then dividing by 5 on both sides. Then it will convert as, x square coefficient is converted as equal to 1. Next, second step, separate the constant value. Separating variables and constants. Constant values ni variables ni rendu kuda different cheyandi ana. So second step, that is the second step, separating variables and constants. Here it is the second step, separate variables and constants. Variables, constants separate cheyali. Third term nana, adding b square term on both sides. Here it is the three steps nana. If we follow these 3 steps, then So we will obtain the roots of the given equation. Quadratic equation ki roots find out cheyali using completing square method ante, then we have to follow these steps nana. For example, look at here nana. So x square, solve the equation. For example, solve the following equation. Solve the equation x square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. We need to solve this quadratic equation using completing square method. సో ఈ మెథడ్లో సాల్వ్ చేయాలి అంటే నాన్న ఇక్కడ మనం ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఫిషియంట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఏం చేయాలన్నా వెరిఫై దట్ ద వెదర్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 ఆర్ నాట్. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉందా లేదా ఫస్ట్ వెరిఫై చేసుకోండి. ఎస్ హియర్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ యాజ్ 1. సో ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్. సో హియర్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ 1. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ second step, separating variables and constants. Here x square minus 10x is equal to transposition of plus 9 is minus 9. Here it is the second step nana. X square minus 10x is equal to transposition of plus 9 is minus 9. Second step, separated variables and constant term ni right side తీసుకెళ్ళండి. Third term nana, adding b square on both sides. How to identify the value? Here it is. So we are going to convert this equation. Into this form. So ee form lo convert cheyali nana. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here this polynomial is written as a minus b whole square. To get this standard form, ఈ ఫామ్లోకి రావడానికి నాన్న a square minus 2ab terms, first two terms only having. So to get this form, here only the first two terms are given. So we don't know the value of third term nana. b square లేదు nana. We are adding b square term on both sides. How to find the value of b? b value ni ela find out cheyali? b is equals b value. How to find the value of b means b value half of the value of coefficient of x. b value ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారమ్మా? b value ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు? half of coefficient of x. So b is equals, whereas b is equal to half of, what is the x coefficient nana? Here 10. Don't bother about the sign. Here x coefficient is 10. Half the value of 10. b value nana, half the value of x coefficient. Half the value of 10 is 5. So here third step, adding b square term on both sides. For this equation, x square minus 10x is given is equal to minus 9 is given. Here adding b square term on both sides. b square term ni add cheyandi beta. What is the value of b? b value 5. Here adding 5 square on both sides. Look at here. So if it is a square minus 2ab plus b square, substitute చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి అన్న. a square minus 2ab plus b square, verifying whether it is in this form or not. ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉందా లేదా వెరిఫై చేస్తున్నాను. సో a square minus 2ab plus b square, whereas a value x beta, a value x, b value 5, a value x, b value 5. Multiply the middle terms nana. Minus 2 5s are 10x s. Middle terms are equal. That's why. So above equation, which is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉంది కన్నా ఇది a square minus 2ab plus b square ఫామ్లో ఉంది. సో దీన్ని ఈ విధంగా రాస్తున్నాను, మీకు కావాలంటే మళ్ళీ చూసుకోండి. So here it is a square minus 2ab plus b square is equals 25 minus 9, that is 16 nana. 25 minus 9, 16. Here a value x square same as it is. Here b value 5, a value x, b value 5. a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is written as a minus b whole square, x minus 5 whole square is equal to 16 is written as plus or minus 4 whole square. Square root of 16 value. Square root of 16 nana plus or square root of 16 value plus or minus 4. Square get cancelled means applying square root on both sides. Applying square root on both sides. Square eliminated. So x minus 5 is equal to here nana. X minus 5 is equal to plus 4 is the first condition, and in another condition x minus 5 is equal to minus 4. X minus 5 is equal to plus 4 is the first condition, and x minus 5 equal to minus 4 is the second condition. What is x is equal to 4 transposition of minus 5 nana plus 5. X is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 or x is equal to minus 4. The transposition of minus 5 value plus 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 4 value 1. Therefore 9 comma 1 are the roots of the given equation. So whatever the equation it may be, first while using completing square method lo చేసేటప్పుడు నానా first make sure that whether x square coefficient is equal to 1 or not. X square coefficient 1 ఉండాలి, ఉందా లేదా చూడండి. Yes, here x square coefficient is equal to 1 only. So separating, second step, separating variables and constants. X square minus 10x is equal to transposition of plus 9 is minus 9. So separated the constant value to right side. Then adding b square term on both sides. B square term ni add cheyalana third. How to identify the value of b? B ni ela identify chestarante half of the value of x coefficient ni half cheyandi. 10 lo half nana 5. So adding b square term on both sides. Here it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. చూడండి x square minus 2 5s are 10x plus 25. So same a square minus 2ab plus b square, it is written as a minus b whole square is equal to simplification of this one nana 25 minus 9 16. 16 is written as plus or minus 4 whole square. Square get cancelled. X minus 5 equal to plus 4 first condition, and x minus 5 equal to minus 4 is the second one. So x is equal to, by simplification here 9, x is equal to 1. 9 comma 1 are the roots of the equation. So ఇంకొక మెథడ్ లో చూస్తున్నాను చూడండి. ఇంకొక ఈక్వేషన్ ని సాల్వ్ చేద్దాము యూజింగ్ సేమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకుంటూ. సో హియర్ solve the equation x square, solve the equation x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus 5 equal to 0 here. So this is the quadratic equation. So we are going to solve this equation. We are going to find out the roots of this quadratic equation using completing square method. ఎలా చేస్తాం నాన్న నేను చెప్పాను. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్, సో వెరిఫై దట్ వెదర్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 ఆర్ నాట్. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉండాలి బిటా. కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుందన్నా హియర్ 1x స్క్వేర్ minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here x square coefficient is given 1 only. First condition satisfied. What about the second condition Anna? What about the second condition? Separating variables and constants. So x square minus 5x is equal to transposition of plus 5 value minus 5. Here separated variables and constants. Third step nana, adding b square term on both sides. X square minus 5x plus b square is equal to minus 5 plus b square. B square term ni add cheyali. How to identify the value of b? B value add cheyali kada, b square ni add cheyali. B value ela find out chesamu? B is equal to half the value of x coefficient. Here don't bother about the sign nana, just what about the magnitude of x coefficient nana? So x is equal x coefficient 5, half the value of 5 by 2. B is equal to 5 by 2. Here 5 by 2 b square value adding on both sides. 5 by 2 whole square ni both sides add chesana. Here it is in the form of, look it here, a square. This equation is written as a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So is equal to minus 5 plus 5 square value 25, square of 2 value 4 nana, 25 by 4. So what about the value of A value x, A value x, B value 5 by 2, A value x, B value 5 by 2. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Look at here, 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. 5 into x, 5x. Yes, it is a perfect square. So ఇది పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ కాదు, యాక్చువల్లీ ఇచ్చింది పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ నాన్న కాదు. ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2ab టర్మ్ మాత్రమే ఉంది, బి స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ లేదు. సో టు గెట్ ద కంప్లీట్ స్క్వేర్, ఇది కంప్లీట్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములేషన్ రావాలంటే 3 టర్మ్స్ ఉండాలి నాన్న. హియర్ బి స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్, దట్స్ వై యాడింగ్ బి స్క్వేర్. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్. కంప్లీట్ స్క్వేర్ అయిపోయింది. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందన్న, ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2ab ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ రిటర్న్ యాజ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2ab ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ రిటర్న్ యాజ్ a minus b whole square. Here it is a value x, b value 5 by 2, a minus b whole square is equals, answer nana, we need to add these two fractions. ఈ రెండు fractions add చేయాలి నాన్న. యాడ్ చేయాలంటే ఏంట్రా, whenever the denominators are equal then only we should add the fractions. ఇక్కడ నాన్న denominators సేమ్ ఉంటే మనం యాడ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. That's why here minus 5 by 1 is there plus 25 by 4 here. So to equalize the denominators, here first fraction which is multiplying and dividing by 4 nana, first fraction ni to equalize the denominators, ఎప్పుడైనా కూడా fractions యాడ్ చేయాలన్నా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలన్నా denominators సేమ్ ఉండాలి. సో ఈక్వలైజింగ్, to equalize the denominators, here I am multiplying and dividing by 4. So here x minus 5 by 2, x minus 5 by 2 whole square is written as 25 minus 5 4 ja 20 nana, 25 minus 20, that is 5 by 4, 5 by 4. Applying to eliminate the square, applying square root on both sides. Em chestunna nana, applying square root on both sides. So x square root get cancelled. X minus 5 by 2 is equal to square root of 5 value nana, plus or minus root 5, here it is not a perfect square, root 5 by square root of 4 value 2 beta. So square root of 4 value 2. Square root అనేది ఏమవుతుంది, either పాజిటివ్ కావచ్చు నెగటివ్ కావచ్చు. సో హియర్ నానా x minus 5 is equal to plus or minus root 5 by 2, whereas x is equal to transposition of minus 5 by 2 is 5 by 2 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So here, so two answers are 5 plus root 5 by 2 is the first root, 5 plus root 5 by 2 is the first root, or 5 minus root 5 by 2, 5 minus root 5 by 2 is the second root of the given equation. Okay na, marokasari chudandi, whatever the given equation it may be, here it is the simple method nana, completing square anedi simple method. First of all, verify the x square coefficient is equal to 1 or not. X square coefficient 1 unda leda, make sure that x square coefficient is 1 or not. X square coefficient 1 undi, okay, first step satisfied. Second condition, separating variables and constants. Third term nana, adding b square on both sides. How to find the value of b means b value. To find the value of b, just half of x coefficient, half the value of x coefficient, that is 5 by 2. So adding b square term on both sides. Here it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is written as a minus b whole square is equal to, simplifying of these two fractions nana, rendu add cheyali. So equalizing the denominator, to equalize the denominators, here first fraction which is multiplying and dividing by 4. So denominator 4 only, 25 minus 20, that is root 5 nana, 5. So applying square root on both sides, to eliminate the square, applying square root on both sides. So here x minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus root 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2, transposition is plus 5 by 2. Answer, x is equal to 5 plus root 5 by 2 is the first answer. X is equal to 5 minus root 5 by 2 is the second answer. Next ఇంకొక ప్రాబ్లం చూసిన తర్వాత కొంచెం క్రిటికల్ ప్రాబ్లంలోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. చూడండి నాన్న, here we are going to solve another equation. Look at here, how to solve the given equations using completing square method. For example, x square plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0 is a given equation. X square plus 7x minus 6 equal to 0 is the second equation. ఇందులో నాన్న ఫస్ట్ వెరిఫై దట్ హియర్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ 1. హియర్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్రెడీ 1. నో నీడ్ టు మాడిఫై. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉంది, ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయింది. సెకండ్ ఏంటి నాన్న, సపరేటింగ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ కాన్స్టెంట్స్. హియర్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ plus 7x is equal to transposition of minus 6 is plus 6. Okay, separated variables and constants. Second condition also over. What about the third one? Adding b square term on both sides. So x square plus 7x plus b square is equal to 6 plus b square. Adding b square on both sides. How to find the value of b? How to find the value of b? B value ఎలా find out చేస్తాం? half the value of x coefficient. Half the value of x coefficient, that is b is equal to half of 7 by 2. Here b value 7 by 2. b square 7 by 2 whole square is added on left side and same 7 by 2 whole square is added on right side. Okay nana, adding 7 by 2 whole square on both sides to get the complete square form. Complete square form loki ravalante only two terms are given. A square plus 2ab term ichadu nana, b square is not given, that's why adding b square on both sides. Here it is a square, here it is in the form, look at here, a square plus 2ab plus b square, LHS value which is in this form, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 6 plus 7 7s are 49, square of 7 value 49, square of 2 value 4. So here nana, instead of a x is there, instead of b 7 by 2, here instead of a x b value 7 by 2. So nana 2 get cancel, 7 into x 7x. Here it is a perfect square. So LHS part which is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square form lo unte em ani rastam nana, a plus b whole square is equals a plus b whole square is equals, here denominators which are not equal nana, so 6 multiplying and dividing by 4 nana plus 49 by 4. Here to add these fractions, first these fractions are converted as like fractions. రెండు ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ యాడ్ చేయాలంటే డినామినేటర్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి, దట్స్ వై మల్టిప్లైయింగ్ అండ్ డివైడింగ్ బై 4. సో x plus 7 by 2 whole square is equals, x plus 7 by 2 whole square is equal 6 4 ja 24 plus 49, that is 73 nana, 73 divided by 4, 6 4 ja 24 plus 49, that is 73. So here, so to eliminate the square, applying square root on both sides, applying square root on both sides. Here square root get cancel nana, x plus 7 by 2 is equals, x plus 7 by 2 is equals, the name and rasuna nana, root of square root of plus or minus root 73 divided by square root of 4 value 2 beta. So root 73 which is not a perfect square, root 73 is not a perfect square, and square root of 4 value 2. Answer x is equals, here x is equals plus 7 by 2 transposition is minus 7 by 2, x is equal minus 7 by 2 plus or minus root 73 by 2. So answer x is equal to nana minus 7 plus root 73 by 2 is the first answer, or x is equal to minus 7 minus root 73 by 2 is the second answer. Here these two are the roots of the given equation. These two are the roots of the given equation. So okay nana, so first ఇప్పుడు ఒక క్రిటికల్ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకొని హౌ టు సాల్వ్ ద గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. హౌ టు సాల్వ్ ద గివెన్ equation where the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. x square coefficient 1 లేకుంటే ఎలా చేద్దామో చూద్దాం చూడనా. సో హియర్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2x square, look at here nana, 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Solve the following equation using completing square method. Solve the following equation using completing square method లో మనం సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. First of all, here in this equation nana, x square coefficient is not given as 1. x square coefficient 1 ledu. We need to convert this coefficient as 1. దీన్ని 1 గా డివైడ్ 1 గా మార్చుకోవాలి nana. That's why To convert as x square coefficient to 1, here dividing this equation by 2. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0 is the given equation. Here I am multiplying, dividing by 2 on both sides. Whole equation which is divided by 2. 2 get cancelled nana. Here now the coefficient of x square is converted as 1. X square plus half x minus 6 by 2 value 3 is equal to 0 by something value 0. So x square here x square plus half x minus 3 equal to 0. So here nana, so first step x square coefficient 1 గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటన్నా separating variables and constants. Here x square plus half x is equals minus 3 transposition of minus 3 is plus 3 nana. Transposition of minus 3 value plus 3. Okay, so okay, separated variables and constants. Next, third step, adding b square on both sides. A square plus 2ab plus b square nana. Adding b square term on both sides. 3 plus b square. Here nana, x square x, a value x only. Here a value x only. How to find the value of b? B value ela find out cheyali. B is equal to half of the value of x coefficient. X coefficient emundi nana 1/2. So to find the value of b value find out cheyali ante half of the value of b. So 1 1s are 1 by 2 2s are 4. So here b term, b value 1/4. b value 1/4. Here also b value 1/4. చూడండి ఇది అలాగే ఉంది. So a square plus 2ab, 2 1s are 2 2s are x by 2 only, same. A square plus 2ab terms are given. So just to get the complete square form, complete square form, just b square is added on both sides of the equation. Here it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square formula undi nana. Here it is written as a plus b whole square is equals 3 plus 1 square value 1, 4 square value 16 nana. So here we need to add these two fractions. That's why here it is multiplying and dividing by 16 to get the to convert as a like fractions. Here first fraction which is multiplying and dividing by 16. X plus 1/4 whole square is equal to 16 3s are 48 plus 1 49/16. So here applying square root on both sides to eliminate the square. So here whereas x plus 1/4 is written as x plus 1/4, square root get cancelled nana. X plus 1/4 is equal to square root of 49 value plus r minus 7 by square root of 16 value plus r minus 4. Here 49/16 square root is plus r minus 7/4. So here nana x is equal to get the value of subject, x is equal to, so plus 1/4 becomes as minus 1/4. Transposition of plus 1/4 is minus 1/4. Here plus r minus 7/4. So first root nana, let the first root x is equal to minus 1 plus 7 divided by 4, or to get the second root minus 1 minus 7/4, that is x is equal to nana 6/4, or x is equal to minus 8/4, that is x is equal to 3/2 is the first root of the equation and second root is minus 2 is the second root of the equation. Here in this way we can solve the given quadratic equations. Quadratic equation solve cheyalante first gurtukunchukondana. So whatever the coefficient it may be, first it is converted as 1. X square coefficient ni 1 ki convert chesukovali. First step. Second step, separating variables and constants. Variables constants separate chestam. Third step, adding b square term on both sides. బీ స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ యాడ్ చేయాలన్నా బీని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నామో బీ వాల్యూ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తామో హాఫ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ సో ఓకే బీ వాల్యూ యాడింగ్ నవ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్ ఫామ్లోకి వచ్చేసింది ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2ab ప్లస్ బీ స్క్వేర్ని ఏ ప్లస్ బీ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ రాసాం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ ఇలా వచ్చిందన్న సో అప్లయింగ్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ గెట్ క్యాన్సల్ సో x ప్లస్ 1/4 ఈక్వల్ 49 స్క్వేర్ రూట్ వాల్యూ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 7 16 స్క్వేర్ రూట్ వాల్యూ ప్లస్ ఆర్ minus 4 the transposition of plus 1/4 is not a minus 1/4 so first root is the minus 1 plus 7/4 is the first root and second root minus 1 minus 7/4 is the second root here in this way we obtain two zeros of the given quadratic equation so okay nana ee problems meeku ila osse nenu chudandi ippudu oka critical equation teeskoni daniki roots find out చేస్తున్నాము we are going to find the roots of standard form of the quadratic equation standard form of quadratic equation ఏంటి నానా ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation so we are going to solve the equation using completing square method లో వాటికి roots find out చేస్తున్నాము చూడండి here it is the proof nana proof of so solve the given equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 here it is the quadratic equation second degree equation which contains single variable nana standard form of quadratic equation ki roots ela find out chestaro chuddam using completing square method same method so here in this equation so make sure that verify that whether the given x square coefficient is equal to 1 or not x square coefficient em undalana 1 undali x square coefficient 1 unte problem easy avutundi so here x square coefficient is not equal to 1 so first we have to convert this coefficient as 1 x square coefficient 1 ga convert cheyali that's why dividing by a look at here nana dividing by a on both sides dividing by a on both sides to get the coefficient of x square as 1 here I am dividing whole equation by a so ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the given just dividing by a on both sides here first step x square coefficient is converted as 1 x square coefficient ekkadi convert chesam nana 1 ki convert chesam x square plus b by right chalk pieces problem avutunnai x square plus b by ax x square plus b by ax plus here second step we need to separate variables and constants x square plus b by ax alage undi nana the transposition of plus c by a is minus c by a in the first step x square coefficient is converted as 1 and in the second step just separated variables and constants here to get the standard to get completing square form only first two terms of the term completing square are given a square plus 2ab term undi nana a square plus 2ab term undi b square term is not there that's why adding b square on both sides so x square plus b by ax plus is equal to minus c by a actually idu undi nana equation x square plus b by ax equal minus c by a adding b square term on both sides here it is the third step మూడు స్టెప్స్ బాగా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 కావాలి సెకండ్ ఏంటి సెపరేటింగ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ఏంటి బి వాల్యూ ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి యాడింగ్ బి స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ బి వాల్యూ చూడండి అన్న హౌ టు గెట్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ బి వాల్యూ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం చూడండి బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ నేను చెప్పాను half of x coefficient what about the x coefficient b by a so b value half of x coefficient so b ones are b by 2a so b value instead of b place lo em teesukovalana b by 2a so adding b by 2a whole square on both sides b square term ni add chesanu so here it is in the a form lo undu chudana here it is a square plus 2ab plus b square form లోకి వస్తుంది. a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals ఇక్కడ minus c by a plus RHS value నానా minus c by a plus b square by 2 square value 4a square. So here, so instead of a x a square plus 2a b value b by 2a b value b by 2a చూడండి అన్న 2 get cancel b into x bx by a. So okay, middle term equal అయినా. So here LHS part which is converted as a square plus 2ab plus b square term యాడ్ చేసినామంటే అది a plus b whole square form లోకి కన్వర్ట్ అయిపోయిందన్న. సో here to equalize the denominators we are going to add these two fractions. ఈ రెండు ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ మనం యాడ్ చేయాలి. రెండు ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ యాడ్ చేయాలంటే ఏముండాలన్నా డినామినేటర్స్ వాల్యూ సేమ్ ఉండాలి. హియర్ డినామినేటర్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్. హియర్ 4a square just here only a is there. So here to equalize the coefficients, multiplying and dividing by 4a for the first fraction here multiplying and dividing by 4a. Answer చూడండి a square plus 2ab plus b square is written as a plus b whole square is equals answer nana denominator value 4a square. So b square, b's positive term is taken as first, b square minus 4ac. So to eliminate the square applying square root on both sides, whereas x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Here it is the equation. So applying square root on both sides to eliminate the square. So x plus b by 2a is equals here square root of this one nana either plus or minus. Square root of 4 తీసుకుందాం నాన్న. 4 కి స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఏంటంటే +2 into +2 4 only. -2 into -2 also 4 only. 9 ఉంది నాన్న. 9 ఏమని రాయొచ్చు +3 into +3 రాయొచ్చు. 9 ఏమని రాయొచ్చు -3 into -3. So 9 square root of 9 value plus or minus 3. Square root of 4 value plus or minus 2. Square root of 25 value plus or minus 5. That's why here also by applying square root means square root apply చేస్తే either it is plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by square root of 4 value 2 square root of a value a square value a. So here x is equals plus b by 2a transposition is minus b by 2a and plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here x is equals denominator same nana. So like fractions, so minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here it is the roots of the given equation. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 ఒక quadratic equation అయితే quadratic equations కి roots ఎలా find out చేస్తాం నానా? Applying this formula x is equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so here it is the proof for solution of the స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ నాన్న. ఈ ప్రాసెస్ మీకు నేర్చుకుంటే వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఇట్ మే బి, ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చినా కూడా కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్ మెథడ్లో మీరు చేయగలుగుతారు. హియర్ బీ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ డిస్క్రిమినెంట్. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the discriminant. Here it is called as discriminant antar nana. Discriminant is denoted by capital D or delta antam nana. Discriminant value ni capital D కానీ delta symbol తో చెప్తారు. So where b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Depending ఫ్యూచర్లో ఫర్దర్ 4th exercise లో నేర్చుకుంటాం. డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ ద డిస్క్రిమినెంట్ వాల్యూ So we had to say nature of roots of the given equation. So tarvata nechukundam nana. Here it is the solution. Simple process nana. Simple process. A square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the given equation. So here first we have to convert x square coefficient as 1. That's why dividing by a on both sides. Here it is the first step. X square coefficient which is converted as 1. Next, to get the complete square form, just adding b square on both sides. How to get the value of b? B value ni ela add chestam? B value ela kanukuntam nana? B value ni ela kanukuntamu? Half of x coefficient. Half the value of x coefficient. X coefficient edaithe undo dani half cheyandi. b by 2a. Here b value b by 2a. Okay, so b value b by 2a. So adding b by 2a whole square on both sides. Here it is a square plus 2ab plus b square form unte it is written as a plus b whole square. To get the denominators equalize కావాలంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నాను అన్న? Multiplying and dividing by 4a for the first fraction. b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Applying square root on both sides. Square root get cancelled. X plus b by 2a is equal plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by square root of 4 value 2 square root of a square value a. Transposition of plus b by 2a is minus b by 2a. Here denominators are equal. Simply adding and subtracting the denominators. Numerators x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here it is the solution. Here it is the roots of. How to find the roots of the given equation means here it is the simplest method. Okay now. So next. చూడండి నాన్న, here I am going to solve one more equation in this method. ఈ మెథడ్లో నేను ఇంకొక ఈక్వేషన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయబోతున్నాను. చూడండి, ప్రూఫ్ చేసాం నాన్న. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్కి మనం ప్రూఫ్ చేసాం. వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ది హియర్, లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్ 3x square. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాన్న, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Solve the given quadratic equation using completing square method antadu. Completing square method lo cheyalante em cheppana? First we have to convert the x square coefficient as 1. So here dividing by 3 on both sides. So here nana, first equation is x square 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 is the given equation. Here I am dividing by 3 on both sides to eliminate the x square coefficient. 3 get cancelled. Now x square coefficient is converted as 1. X square minus 5 by 3x is equal to, second step nana, separated constant value ni right side తీసుకెళ్దాం, minus 2 by 3. So here separating variables and constants. To get the completing square form, adding b square on both sides. How to find the value of b? b value ఎలా find out చేస్తారు? half the value of x coefficient. Half the value of x coefficient, that is 5 by b value 5 by 6. To get the complete square form, here x square minus 5 by 3x is given is equal to minus 2 by 3 nana. Adding b square term on both sides. b square term add చేస్తున్నా. What is the value of b? 5 by 6 whole square is added on both sides of the equation. Here it is in the form of a square. Minus symbol is there nana. a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here it is written as a minus b whole square is equals, here equalizing the denominators, minus 2 by 3 is the first fraction plus 25 by 36 nana. 5 square value 25, 6 square value 36. Here to equalize the denominators, here it is multiplying and dividing by 2. First fraction which is multiplying and dividing by 2. 12 3 is 36. Here x minus 5 by 6 whole square is equals, x minus 5 by 6 whole square is equal, denominator value 36 only. 25 minus 24 nana, 1 by 36. Here x minus 5 by 6 whole square is written as square root of sorry no na, here applying square root on both sides. So square root get cancelled. X minus 5 by 6 equal to 1 square root value plus or minus 1. 6 is 36 square root value 6 nana. So whereas x is equals transposition of minus 5 by 6 is 5 by 6 plus or minus 1 by 6. X is equals 5. Transposition of 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6 is plus nana 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6. Here therefore what about the first root nana? X is equal to 5 plus 1 by 6 is the first one. 5 plus 1 by 6 is the first root, and second root or x is equals here 5 minus 1 by 6. 5 minus 1 by 6 is the second root. X is equal to 6 by 6, that is equal to 1 nana, or x is equal to 5 minus 1 4 by 6, that is equal, by simplifying here it is value of 2 by 3. Therefore first root is said to be alpha is equal to 1, and second root beta is equal to 2 by 3. Here these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Whatever the equation it may be, ఎటువంటి ఈక్వేషన్ అయినా కూడా either it has a complex roots or real roots. కాంప్లెక్స్ రూట్స్ ఉన్నా, రియల్ రూట్స్ ఉన్నా, ఇమాజినరీ రూట్స్ ఉన్నా, ఏది ఉన్నా కూడా ప్రాబ్లం చేయడానికి సింపుల్ మెథడ్లో ఈ విధంగా చేయొచ్చు. Factorization method always not possible nana. Always it is not possible to splitting into factors. Factorization method lo splitting into factor చేయడం కష్టం అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి here it is a very useful method. సో ఈ మెథడ్లో మనం యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకుంటే మనం ఏ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చినా కూడా వాటికి రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి నాన్న? ఈక్వలైజ్ ద ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ టు 1. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ని 1కి ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి నాన్న? సపరేటింగ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ కాన్స్టెంట్. థర్డ్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి? యాడింగ్ బీ స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. ఇక్కడ వరకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజీ ఉంటుంది. యాడింగ్ బీ స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్. హౌ టు గెట్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ బీ? బీ వాల్యూని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ బీ? బీ వాల్యూ టు గెట్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ బీ జస్ట్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కోఎఫిషియంట్. ఎక్స్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ని హాఫ్ చేయండి, 5 by 6. ఓకే, యాడింగ్ బీ స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెనెవర్ మైనస్ ఉంటేనేమో ఏ మైనస్ బీ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫామ్లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. ద మిడిల్ టర్మ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ పాజిటివ్ ఉంటేనేమో ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ రాస్తాం. ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ సింప్లిఫై చేస్తాం నాన్న. ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 5 by 6 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అప్లయింగ్ రూట్. ఆన్సర్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 36 ఈజ్ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 1 by 6. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ట్రాన్స్పోజిషన్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ 5 by 6 ఏమో ప్లస్ 5 by 6. 5 plus 1 by 6 is the first answer. 5 minus 1 by 6 is the second root of the equation. Okay, in this way we can find roots of the equation using completing square. Quadratic equation ki completing square method lo manam ee vidhanga solution chestamu. Okay, next in part 7 lo manam verbal problems ఏ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం అనేది నేర్చుకుందాం. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే. ఓకే.